I have some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please. What's going on, my people? Lee Mims here, Lee Mims Productions here on Queen of Trades channel. What a wonderful opportunity for me to be on her channel. Support her, like, share, subscribe, please. My homegirl, man, work hard. She works hard to bring content. She works hard to network. She works hard to support everybody. And this is her dream. She loves doing content and being positive and all that stuff. Man, just go ahead and support, please. Like, share, subscribe, okay? So this is what we're going to talk about today. Today's video is about dreams. Dreams, that's right, dreams. I'm going to keep checking my notes, so forgive me a little bit if I look away a little bit. What is the definition of dreams? According to Google, it's a series of thoughts, images, and sensations occurring in a person's mind during sleeping. The second definition that I like is contemplate the possibility of doing something or that something might be the case. So there's a possibility of. What do I want to say about dreams? 4 things. Don't let anyone tell you you can't dream. Number 2, don't share your dreams with everyone. Number 3, if you dream about something all the time, make it a goal. Number 4, dreams to me is another form of visions. I'm going to just stop right there. I'm going to catch myself. Dreams to me is another form of visions. All right? So when we come back, we're going to go ahead and check out each one of these 4 in depth, because you know I got something to say about each. See you in the next frame. Don't let anyone tell you you can't dream. A person who tells you you can't dream or wants you to stay in the reality all the time. And when I say reality, they don't want to hear about what could be. They just looking at what is. Chances are they got their little dreams crushed. They're on the negative because that's what life has showed them. Either A, they don't want you to get your hopes up and be let down because maybe they genuinely care about you. Sometimes you'll find that with family, people that have known you forever, or friends that know you forever. And I may say, I want to be an astronaut at 41 years old. Well, can I be an astronaut if I start now? I'm not sure. But if somebody told me they wanted to be an astronaut, I would probably encourage them. It's not whether I believe they can do it or not. It's whether they can believe they can do it or not. And sometimes all people need is a little bit of encouragement. And maybe I start out being an astronaut and find my real calling. But if we don't support people from the beginning, how would they have their beginning? I don't know. Think about yourself. Where would you be if somebody hadn't encouraged your dreams? I don't know. I ain't going to be on this long. Number 2, don't share your dreams with everyone. You know who be hating on you. And everybody's not always hating like, I want what you have. But there are people who's like, he ain't going to do it. She ain't going to do it. But what if they do it? That's what people be saying. She ain't going to do it. You think? Then if she does it, it makes you look bad because you didn't follow your dreams. You didn't do all that you could do. But let me rephrase that. Is she or he making you look bad, or you made yourself look bad because you failed yourself, because you didn't believe in you? The third one is, if you're dreaming about something all the time, make it a goal. Sometimes I feel like that nagging thing that you're talking about, writing that book, making that video, going to school, finishing college, finishing high school, going to grad school, getting your doctorate, building that addition on the house, going after that job that you think that you can't get, going after that woman or man that you think you can't get, and you dream about it all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. Maybe that's something that's nagging you to either put closure to or go after it and get it. What if you go after it and you do get it? Now what? Finally, dreams to me is another form of visions. And when I think about the good word, sometimes I think about that Proverbs 29:18. It says, if you don't have visions or dreams, you will perish. So will the people following you. Now, I paraphrase that, but basically saying, without vision, the people will perish. Imagine if you as a parent, or you as a guardian, or you as a worker, or you as whatever you are in your life, didn't have any type of vision. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to set my alarm clock for such and such an hour. I'm going to get up. I'm going to do this. I want to prepare. Then I'm going to head on into work. Then when I get to work, I want to do my very best. I'm going to do well. I want to be on time, or I want to be early. I want to stay late. I want to make some overtime so I can do 1, 2, 3, 4. XYZ, I'm going to come home, and then I'm going to prepare this when I get home so that my maid will be fine. I'm going to help the kids do this. What if you never did that? The question is, what if you did let somebody stop you from doing all that planning, all that envisioning, and all that dreaming? And would bills get paid? Would the kids eat? Would you eat? Would the people around you feel the love? I know for me, I even dream about what it would be nice to have peace and harmony everywhere I went. So consequently, I dream about it enough. I think about it until mostly everybody I run into wants me around because I'm so positive, because I keep pushing towards where I want things to be. Do I have bad days? Yes, but more than likely, the bad day doesn't go into the next day because I just can't be negative that long. And part of that is I want peace. I dream about peace, so to speak. Sounds extra, but I don't mean physically dream about it. I talk about it with my wife. Wouldn't it be nice if we give everybody around us whatever makes them peaceful? That would be one of my wishes. Let me bless you with whatever it is that you think you want. Sometimes you give people what they think they want. They figure out that they don't want it, and they end up finding what they do want. I always say with my wife, when I first met her, till about maybe 5 years in, I always say, what do you want to eat? And that's always some long drawn out process. So now what I do is say, what don't you want to eat? It saves me from saying Burger King after you say McDonald's, and you say you don't want McDonald's. And you don't want Burger King. Okay. So you don't want Burger King, you don't want McDonald's. Yeah, and I don't want KFC, and I don't want Popeyes. Okay. So what's left in your arsenal of quick foods? Chinese. Guess what? Just saved yourself a whole ton of trouble going back and forth. Simple as that. So sometimes you got to give people what they think they want so they can find out what they don't want. That's just a whole nother topic, but I was just talking about dreaming. Like, if I could give people what I think they would want, that would help them to be happy. Maybe. I don't know. That's a dream. But again, what I try to do is I keep trying to push positivity on those people that I come in contact with. And that's just a dream of mine. So a lot of times if you dream about something, eventually it becomes a goal, like I say, and eventually I push the issue. And consequently, I'd say 8 out of 10 days, I'm super positive. It might be higher than that, but I just refuse to be on the negative vibe. So, because my inner person yearns that peace, that tranquility, that, I guess it's utopia, which is much like dreaming. It'll probably never be total peace, but as long as I keep that in my mind and I think about it, I'm going to end up pushing that. Don't stop dreaming, people. If Martin didn't follow through with his dream, would we have the things that we have in this culture? If the person that dreamt about flying airplanes, will we be able to get to California as fast as we do now, or go see our people in other states? And if every invention you came up with started out with a dream, don't stop dreaming. Peace.
Hey guys, remember, like, subscribe, share this video with everyone you know. Let them know what Queen of Trades and the MKW crew is doing over here. Till the next time, bye.
I had some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please.